Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. Right after the higher secondary exam results, students are both worried and enthusiastic about their college education. They are confused about which college they should join or how much marks can lead them to a good college. So in this video I will discuss about some famous colleges across West Bengal with their facilities, eligibility criteria, scholarships, placements, etc. We also have some career guidance videos of various professions. You will get detailed information about how to achieve that particular profession which you have chosen as your career, such as an advocate, engineer, raw agent, pharmacist, etc. You will get the video links in this video's description. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos. So today's discussion will be about University Institute of Technology in Bardhaman. Established in the year 2000, the University Institute of Technology comes under the direct hands of the University of Burdwan. For the last 20 years, the college has been running successfully and has provided numerous placement records of its own. UIT provides engineering in 6 different streams. The college has got approvals from West Bengal government and All India Council for Technical Education or the AICTE. UIT Burdwan has credited with IBM, Oracle, TCS and Microsoft. The college has an extraordinary panel of faculties and of them are student-friendly and postgraduate and PhD holders. UIT has a strong mission in molding out every individual in such a way that he or she is ready to face real-life situation in any field. They also focus to strengthen R&D activities in industries, generating funds through R&D programs which will be further used for educational purposes. To help realize the national goal of becoming global IT superpower through emphasis on developing computational skills. UIT preparing creative engineers, innovative thinkers and engineer entrepreneurs. University Institute of Technology Burdwan admissions can be taken online as well as offline. Friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website and online admission link of the college in this video's description. Highly qualified and committed faculties to date and well equipped with modern infrastructure, the institute has been recognized as an emerging technical institute in the state of West Bengal. UIT Burdwan offers both UG and PG courses. Next, we will know about the infrastructure of this college. At UIT, 24 hours health services are provided to the students through University Health Center. Aside from this, the service of well-qualified doctors is available around the clock through Burdwan Medical College and Hospital, which is the district hospital and situated close to the institute. UIT also focuses on co-curricular activities, hence sports events, drama, quiz, story writing are organized inside the campus where students participate. The college also has a computer room which has 100 computers connected to a server room. Overall, there are 400 computers in the campus and 90 thin clients available with internet connections through LAN. The Central Library has 50,000 volumes of books with 5,000 titles. 50 international journals, 20 national journals and 10 magazines are subscribed. The Institute Library has 30,000 volumes of textbooks with 4,000 titles. The library is computerized. The library receives 20 national and 30 international journals. The library has a reading room. The library subscribes to online digital libraries of academic societies like IEEE, IEE and ACM. Institute has its NSS unit and REC club or the Renewable Energy Club through which students do many extracurricular activities. The college has E-Cell whose students panel is elected members from among students and is collaborated with many government institutes JU, CU, KU and BU. Some reputed private institutes like BITS Pilani, VIT, KIIT, Heritage College Kolkata, IEM Kolkata, Techno India Kolkata and some others and all IITs, NITs, triple ITs and GFTIs like all premier institutes across all over the India. So next we will go through this college's courses. University Institute of Technology Burdwan offers both M.Tech and B.Tech. This college offers B.Tech in Applied Electronics, Instrumentation Engineering, Civil Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electronic Engineering, Electronic and Communication. Aspirants interested in pursuing M.Tech at UIT Burdwan have to score good marks in the undergraduate courses, and this college offers M.Tech in Computer Science and Engineering and Electronic and Instrumentation Engineering. The placement cell comprises the training and placement officer, college authorities, the faculty members and the students. The cell has enlisted itself with non-profit making bodies for information regarding campus recruitments and further studies. In the initial years, some of the companies in which students of the college have secured placements are Alumnus, Arians Infoway Private Limited, Aztec, CMC, Elitmus, IBM, Infosys Limited, Integra, Genpact, Hexaware Technologies, Haldia Petrochemicals, L&T Infotech, Reliance Telecom, RS Software, Satyam Computer Services Limited, Tata Consultancy Services, Wipro Technologies, Wipro Infotech, Ashok Leyland, Tata Motors, Bharat Electronics Limited, IBM and UST Global. So thank you friends to be with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Friends, if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, if I missed some points about this college that you know, you can also mention that. So that's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another college. Till then, goodbye.